Okay, so we're looking at the question 1 from the first mini test. So this really is revision of GCSE fractions, but some of the questions are maybe a bit more challenging than some of the ones you've seen before. So the key thing, to be honest, whether you're adding, subtracting, multiplying or dividing fractions, go away. So this is the question we're looking at. So the key thing is, as soon as you've got a quadratic or maybe even a cubic, think about factorising it. So x squared minus 1 in the numerator of that first fraction is the difference of 2 squares. So that factorises to x minus 1, x plus 1, and that's all over 3. And then in the second fraction, I've got that quadratic in the denominator, and I'm gonna hazard a guess that that will factorise, because otherwise this is a bit of a boring question, and it does factorise to x plus 1, x plus 1. Okay, so then I could just go ahead and multiply those, and obviously when you're multiplying fractions, you multiply the numerators together and the denominators together, but it's going to be a little easier if I check for cross-cancelling first. So neither of the fractions simplify individually, but I can cross-cancel the x plus 1 from the first fraction's numerator with one of the x plus 1s for the first fraction's denominator. So if I do that, the numerator is just x minus 1 multiplied by 1. The denominator is the 3 multiplied by the x plus 1 I've got left in the denominator of the second fraction. And because I've already factorised, I now know, that there's no more simplifying I can do. There's nothing that will cancel. So that is my final answer to question 1.